Jammu and Kashmir has remained the epicenter of high alert even days after the bloodbath in Pahalgam. In the latest flashpoint, gunshots have been heard in the Gudar area of Kulgam, triggering fresh panic across the region. While no casualties have been reported yet, heavy firing has been confirmed and more details are still awaited. This fresh gun battle comes even as the valley stays under a thick security blanket after 26 innocent lives were lost in the Pahalgam terror attack earlier this week. In another major breakthrough, security forces have busted a terrorist hideout in the forested Sidori Nala area of Kupwara. Acting on specific intelligence, the Special Operations Group and Indian Army have recovered a massive cache of arms and ammunition, including 5 AK-47 rifles, a pistol and over 700 rounds of ammunition. Massive search operations are also underway in Anantnag, where forces have detained 175 suspects linked to terror networks for questioning.
On one side, the CASO is being done by security forces hunting for the terrorists. Their houses have been gotten down. On the other side, you can see the Jammu and Kashmir police is checking every vehicle for any kind of suspected movement which can be suspected in this particular area. The army convoy movements can be seen across this particular area of South Kashmir. On one side, the CRPF, Indian Army have been moving right and left so that they can identify any kind of suspected movement of the terrorists who have been hiding in the South Kashmir. On the other side, the Jammu and Kashmir police is checking vehicles. Any suspected movement is being checked. The vehicles are being stopped. Identity of all those individuals is also being checked. Knowing the fact that over the period of 72 hours, the terrorists and their sympathizers and all those who were part of providing shelter as well as have been very much active in this kind of anti-India operation are being checked by the security forces. These are the visuals en route to Kulgam in South Kashmir, where you can see that the police officials are doing proper checking. And on the other side, what we have seen that multiple CASOs, the cordon search, is also being conducted by the security forces.